Can we change our username on Reddit? Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if we can change our username on Reddit. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing is we'll head over to our Reddit. So open up your Reddit and make sure that you're logged in into your account. After you do that, you can head over to the top right corner on your profile icon and then head over to the settings. Now, as you can see right here, this is my username. This is the one right here, budget proposal. Now, if I want to change that, normally what we do is we head over to the settings if we want to change our username in any social media app. So if I head over to profile right here, there you can see I can change my display name. So here you can just go to your display name and change it. But the thing is, you cannot change your username. Now, as you might have remembered that when you are setting up your username on your Reddit, it gives you a warning or a simple note that says you cannot change your username on Reddit. So you will need to think really carefully before you keep your username. So if you want to simply change your username, the only thing that you can do is create a new account. Other than that, you can simply change your display name from here and then tap on save. As it says right here, changing your display name won't change your username. So yeah, I hope this video answers your question, guys, that you cannot change your username on Reddit. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.